Border surveillance is one of the toughest challenges for security teams. Covering hundreds of kilometers of land or sea requires more than one drone. To achieve full coverage, multiple units must fly at the same time, each monitoring a different area. Without a centralized system, coordinating these flights can be complex. Operators must manually assign routes, check live feeds across separate screens, and ensure there are no blind spots. This increases the risk of delayed responses and gaps in surveillance. That's why specialized fleet management software has become essential. These platforms allow teams to plan missions in advance, monitor several drones at once, and analyze results afterwards. Instead of scattered data and fragmented operations, everything comes together in one platform. The result is better coordination, more efficient use of resources, and greater confidence that no area goes unchecked. Among the leading platforms designed for this kind of mission is Beyond Vision's beXStream. Built specifically for drone fleet control and management, it provides operators with advanced planning tools to assign routes, adjust missions in real time, and review detailed flight histories for future optimization. All the data collected is stored in a single place and can be integrated with other operations. For border surveillance, this means no area is left unchecked. Routes can be planned to cover long stretches of land or coastline. And if conditions change, missions can be revised on the spot without grounding the fleet. Operators can instantly detect gaps in coverage, redirect drones when needed, and ensure overlapping patrols for greater security. Later, flight histories provide valuable insights into patterns of activity, helping teams refine their strategies over time. In practice, this could mean detecting an unexpected crossing attempt in a remote desert, monitoring maritime borders where boats might go unnoticed by ground patrols, or coordinating several drones to follow different paths across rugged terrain. Each mission is tracked, recorded, and analyzed, ensuring better awareness and quicker decision-making. More than just deploying multiple drones, with beXStream, border surveillance becomes a coordinated, data-driven mission that enhances both efficiency and response.